It's Monday, 6:40 in the morning. We are quite late, but yeah, we'll still go for the run. Today probably we'll be doing some interval runs. So yeah, let's go. Let's see. Start our run in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so we are here to our favorite place, and yeah, now what we are going to do is we're going to do interval run. I think 200 meters of 10 reps, 10 times. So yeah, we are targeting to start it with the pace around 4:05 or 4:10, and then we are going to decrease the time by each rep. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go. So we did the first rep in almost 40-45 seconds or more, but the pace was 4:16. Now we have got the starting pace of 4:16, and now we are going to gradually decrease this pace by probably 10 to 15 seconds in every rep. So yeah, that's how we're going to do it. The idea is basically to reduce the time by each rep, and then it helps you to maintain your stride, the posture in which you are running, and that are like two most important things while you are running. And hence we are going to do this interval session, and let's see how we are going to gradually decline each of the reps by 10 to 15 seconds. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so clearly we ran a bit more. The idea is to run 200 meters, and before starting the second rep, I actually could not see at how much distance I was, and then I ran 270 meters. Although the pace we ran at was 4, so the previous rep pace was 4:16. I was thinking of doing 4:05 or 4:10. Instead we ran at a pace of 4, which is good. The point is, after this it's gonna become really difficult, because now there are 8 more reps left, and with each rep you know trying to make it faster, but your body becomes a bit slower. So I'm not sure whether we'll be able to hold it, but yeah, let's see. So with third rep we have clearly outrun ourselves. I ran at a pace of 3:37, and that's quite fast, and we have 7 more reps to go. Probably what can I do is I would be running next 4 to 5 at the same pace of around 3:36 or 3:37, so that we have that buffer at the end of last 2 reps to push it and finish it around 3 or below that. So yeah, let's go. So fourth one we did as it was required. We ran at a pace of 3:37. We just have to do it 4 more times, and then probably from there we're gonna start decrease the pace even further. So yeah, all good so far. Let's go. Okay, so for fifth one, we did good. The idea was to keep 3:37. We finished it in 3:51. A bit slow, but yeah, we have to catch up in our next rep so that we kind of maintain the pace. So yeah, let's go. And I'm getting tired a bit, but yeah, we still gotta do 5 more reps. So chalo bhai, kare. Okay, so yeah, 7th one done. We did a run pace of 3:29. Not happy. Previous one we did at 3:24, and I was thinking of doing either same or below, but instead we did 3:29. Not happy. Oh, 3 more to go. Let's see if I'll be able to tear down the pace. Not happy with the current pace right now. So yeah, let's see. And we did our 8:1 as well, and pretty fast. We did that in pace of 3:05, which is really very good. Now the pressure is I have to do another 2 with same or lesser pace. And now that I'm tired, I'm not sure what I have got myself into. So yeah, 2 more left. Probably we'll try to match the pace or reduce it. Not sure whether we'll be able to top that, but we can try. So yeah, let's go. Okay, the 9th one was pretty fast. We did that in pace of 2:59 or 2:56. But yeah, really good. Now either we have to do faster or maintain the pace. When both are gonna be difficult. Our last rep, we'll try to give all in. Let's see what pace we can finish it off with. Let's go. Okay. Done with the last one as well. Pretty hard. Okay, so we did match our pace of previous rep and a little faster only at 2:53. So yeah, we did our 10 reps. Very nice, very good. We started from the pace of 4:10 or 15, I guess, and we finished it at 2:53. Very good pace, good times. Now we are gonna do a cool down run for a kilometer till we reach home, and yeah, then we'll be good with the session. Let's go. Came back home. We did good today. 1 kilometer warm up, then 200 meters at an average pace of around 3:10. Fastest being 2:53, which is quite good. At the 10th rep, I think there was more energy left in the engine. So yeah, that was good. Probably tomorrow I'm gonna go class. I'm not sure what we're gonna do there. Probably lower body or agility, not sure. But yeah, we are good for today. Now I've gotta go take shower and head to office. So yeah, let's go. See you tomorrow. Bye.